Here's how to activate Siri or turn on Hey Siri on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Siri and search. Now make sure Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. This allows your iPhone to respond when you say the wake phrase. Next, also enable the Press Side button for Siri, so you can activate Siri manually by holding the side button. If this is your first time turning it on, your iPhone will guide you through a quick voice setup. Just follow the instructions and repeat a few phrases so Siri can recognize your voice. Now go back and make sure Allow Siri when locked is also turned on. This lets you use Siri without unlocking your phone. Once everything is enabled, you can simply say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the side button to activate it anytime. If Siri is still not working, check your internet connection and make sure your iPhone is updated under Settings. After that, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. After doing these steps, Siri should be fully activated and working properly on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.